Hi, Kevin Byrne here with the Byrne Real Estate Group. Let's talk about what happened in October of 2024 in terms of the real estate market. So when we're looking at, we're gonna kind of change our format a little bit. We're going to talk more about Boulder County. We look at year over year. The average in Boulder County right now is at 1,670,000. And that is pretty flat from about a year ago. So when we look at the attached market, that is down. There's a little bit more inventory in that marketplace, taking a little longer to sell. That marketplace is down 4%. We look at the active listings. Active listings are dropping. Some people are taking their home off the market. We're finding people are kind of leaving the market more quickly. So there was a 3.4% drop in inventory from a year ago. We're looking at about 3.8 months of inventory, which comes to pretty balanced market, meaning we're not seeing, inflation, but, in terms of pricing, but we're not seeing too much deflation, assuming people price their properties right and it's in good shape. We are seeing an increase in under contracts month over month, which is good. So we are starting to see some signs that people have kind of stepped from the sidelines in terms of increase of contracts, both year over year and also month over month. So that's good news. And now we should be seeing kind of a better situation also as we move into the December months and hopefully the beginning of next year. We are seeing days on market are pretty much the same as a month ago. They're up about 13% from a year ago, so 50 days on market. Interesting, we're seeing the average listing in the marketplace is having about 4.3 showings per month, which doesn't seem like a lot because it's really not. And it's taking about 13 showings to get an offer. So 3 to 4 months. Obviously, things that are in more appealing areas, a little probably lower price points, and highly competitive, highly sought out areas are selling quicker. So 7% showing month over month in terms of showing activity. So again, the average price about the same as a year ago. We are seeing a little bit more inventory, month over month, and we're seeing more people bringing their home on the market later in the year, hopefully to take advantage of some of the increased interest with buyers in the marketplace. So when we look at the Denver market, we're basically looking at kind of an unprecedented average sale price, kind of broad market in the Denver metro, $599. That's the highest on record for an October. We're seeing that the luxury market is really driving that. Prices between $1 million and $2 million surged up 34%. So the month even saw 5 homes over $5 million going under contract. So it's pretty impressive in an $8.3 million property in Cherry Hills. So, all right, we like that. Sellers kept pace, adding about 4,600 new listings in October. This influx represents about a 22% increase over last October. So again, we saw an increase in Boulder County. We're also seeing an increase this year, but a seasonal, 8% month over month. Notably, 8% of the new listings are $1 million to $2 million range. So that's kind of interesting. Buyer activity continued to kind of gain traction with contracts executed about 3,600 homes in the Denver MLS. That's 23% more than the previous year. So that's huge. So, people are saying the market's crashing. It's not. We're actually seeing more pendings than a year ago. Interest rates, I believe, are a little lower than a year ago, even though they're still hovering around that 7%. So the supply levels kind of reflect increases in demand and, over what we typically see seasonally. October also brought significant amount, on the rental market. So kind of our takeaways, the Denver housing market continues to display some resilience with growing buyer interest and influx of new listings or record-breaking home sales, especially in the luxury sector. As we head into the final months, the strong market dynamics, kind of a robust foundation for future growth. I think, we're going to be looking at, a sustained market as we move into spring. So if you have any questions regarding either the Boulder County or the Denver general market, let us know. We can kind of look into some of the more micro markets to let you know what's happening. We are seeing some price reductions in certain areas, especially for homes that need a lot of a lot of improvements or updating. You used to be able to just throw your house on the market and say, oh, we'll sell for whatever I want. That's no longer the case. So again, like and subscribe below. We'd love for you to join our the Byrne Group YouTube here. And if you find this information helpful, we'd love for you to refer us to people you might know that might have interest in buying, selling, or investing in real estate. Thanks so much and have a great day.